The world is drowning in a sea of nitrogen. The purpose of this campaign is to demonstrate a process to recover and recycle ammonium nitrogen as a pure, solid, unadulterated nitrogen fertilizer. Nitrogen is an essential nutrient responsible for all growth and life on Earth. Modern agriculture could not exist without nitrogen fertilizers. It is the most expensive component of food production. Traditionally, nitrogen has been provided by animal manure, but animal manure is now a source of a variety of other pollutants, such as hormones, antibiotics, fecal coliform bacteria, and viruses. As a result, modern agriculture is dependent on the industrial production of ammonia nitrogen through the Haber process that utilizes a large percentage of the world's natural gas production, thereby producing large quantities of the greenhouse gas carbon dioxide. Over 80% of the ammonia nitrogen that is commercially produced is discharged to the environment and transported throughout the world. Ammonia production has substantially increased over the years. Production and the discharge of nitrogen to the environment is increasing at the rate of 2,600,000 tons per year. It now exceeds 150 million tons per year, or 40 pounds for every man, woman, and child on Earth. If, in order to avoid global warming, the world converts from fossil fuels to biofuels derived from plants and algae, the rate of growth of nitrogen discharged to the environment will increase substantially. The tremendous quantity of nitrogen emitted to our environment affects the entire planet. Even the pristine Rocky Mountain National Park in Colorado is experiencing nitrogen concentrations 20 times historic values, altering the park's ecosystem. Over 40% of the nitrogen is lost upon application. It is discharged to ground and surface water through runoff and leaching. Significant portions of the applied nitrogen is converted to gases that include NOx and N2O, or nitrous oxide, an extremely powerful greenhouse gas at 310 times the impact of CO2. Nitrous oxide and carbon dioxide are the most rapidly increasing greenhouse gases, whereas methane and chlorofluorocarbons have leveled off. Nitrous oxide, the powerful greenhouse gas, is also the primary cause of stratospheric ozone depletion. The reaction of ammonia with NOx in the atmosphere is the primary means of producing fine particulate matter, commonly referred to as PM 2.5 or smog and haze. Fine particulate matter is a significant public health issue since it leads to pulmonary and cardiac illness and premature death. The ammonia and nitrogen gases not discharged to the atmosphere are deposited in our lakes, rivers, and estuaries, producing excessive algae, phytoplankton, and cyanobacteria growth. That enrichment produces low dissolved oxygen, toxic waters. From Puget Sound on the west coast to the Great Lakes, the entire east coast of the U.S. and Chesapeake Bay, to the Gulf of Mexico dead zone. Nitrogen deposition has resulted in the destruction of our aquatic resources.